What's going on, everybody? Got a package here from Bunker Branding. You know, this is from the Demolition Ranch YouTube channel. Get right into this. All right. So what we got here is a t-shirt. But the cool thing about this t-shirt is when you ordered this t-shirt, it came with something. So here's a t-shirt, a gold AK, an extra AK. All right, that's the shirt, and it came with this coin, which came out in the video when Matt is in the all gold and he's shooting a treasure chest full of gold coins. So some of these coins had been shot, some hadn't. This one obviously has not been shot. Which is fine. I mean, I was kind of okay with either way. Or I was okay with either way. There's a coin with the Demolition Ranch crest or logo. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so it's just doing a quick unboxing on that. Once again, the shirt. If you haven't already checked out Demolition Ranch's channel, I'll link it below, and you should go check it out. Alright. Catch you guys later.